crafters, happy summer! Lately, I have been wearing a lot of my favorite thrift, flip, and upcycle projects, and I thought I should tell you about it and show you some of my favorites. If you've been around on this channel for any period of time, you've probably picked up on the fact that I love tie-dye. It may be becoming kind of an addiction at this point. I love taking garments that maybe I thrifted, or maybe that aren't quite the right color for me, or maybe items that I got for free and were a little bit damaged, or maybe things that I want to make unique, or maybe transform into customized gifts. Tie-dye is a great way to do that. Whether you go super bold and bright, make lots of patterns, use lots of colors, or if you keep things a little more basic, kind of like what I'm wearing today. This was a plain white graphic tee, a little bit stained, turned it into a color I love, and now I wear it on repeat. The garments I'm going to be showing you today have also been on repeat in my wardrobe over this last spring and going into summer, and I thought I ought to show you how some of these have been holding up in my wardrobe. I'm going to be talking you through a few of my very favorite of all time tie-dye projects, and then I'll link below in the video description to the projects where I originally made these items in case you want to tackle a project like this of your own. Of course, in those project videos, I will show you the supplies I use, I'll talk you through the process that I've been using, and just give you the whole DIY lowdown so you could tackle something like this on your own. I'm also going to be showing you some of the ways that I have been wearing my favorite tie-dye upcycled garments lately, because I have been wearing them on many an adventure and thought I would take you along for a little tie-dye adventuring as well. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope it gets you inspired maybe to try brightening your wardrobe a little bit with some tie-dye or making some unique gifts for others. All of these projects would be a lot of fun to do with friends, and many of them could also be customized to do with kids or tweens or teens, and could just be a really fun summer project. Great way to brighten your day and a great way to brighten your wardrobe at the same time. Let me show you the pieces we're working with today, and we will get started on this tie-dye adventure. Well, on the fun scale, tie-dyeing yourself some loungewear rates up there pretty high. I mean, you can't argue with a tie-dyed hoodie. Man, this one I actually thrifted. I love looking for light-colored garments, especially ones with some fun graphic prints, and then turning them into a color that I really love. I actually got these jogger pants from Old Navy, and they are a slightly different color from my hoodie, but I dyed them the same fuchsia Rit dye, and now I think they go together pretty well. I have worn them separately as well as together, and they just make me happy. I mean, they're very comfy, but they're also a color now that I love. So, you know, tie-dye yourself some comfy clothes, something fun. Make your day when you wear them. Always a win-win in my book. Well, you can't go wrong with a t-shirt dress. And if you could thrift one that isn't quite the right color for you, like this used to be gray t-shirt dress, and then you could turn it into a color you actually like and make it fun and unique, and then tie-dye a thrifted ball cap to match, well then win, 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 right? I mean, oh man, ever since I tie-dyed this set last year, I've worn it so much. It's very comfy, of course, because it's a t-shirt dress, but I love that I can, you know, dress it up a little bit or keep it really casual. It's very easy to travel with, of course, but it used to be gray, and now it's a color I like, and it's also unique because it's got this fun kind of pattern with it. This one was a really easy, straightforward, fun project, but it's been a lot of fun to wear, and I feel like if you're kind of getting started on the DIY tie-dye train, This is a great project to start with because it's very easy to do and, of course, so much fun to wear. Tie-dye leggings for the win! Yes! I tie-dyed these Hue leggings. They're all cotton. They were white. I did these last spring, and every time I've worn them since, I've definitely gotten a smile on my face from these fun colors. Since I started with cotton leggings, I was able to use standard RIT dye for our purple leggings, and of course tied those up to get some starburst shapes. And then I used a tulip tie-dye kit to rainbowize these other ones. I also want to try a similar project, but with some yoga pants. If I'm looking for some light colored yoga pants, maybe thrifted. We'll see. If I do that project, though, I'll need to use a dye that's designed more for synthetics. So, let me know if you're interested in a project like that. I think that would be a fun way to kind of supplement my athleisure collection by maybe doing a little tie-dye with some yoga pants. But I have been enjoying wearing these leggings. They are very, very comfy and, of course, very bright and fun. How fun would this be to use on some like kids clothing? Like some girls leggings or maybe some like baby clothes. How cute would that be? But of course, don't sleep on the tie-dyed leggings for us big kids because, kids shouldn't have all the fun, right? Okay, next project. I can't emphasize this enough, you guys. Don't overlook tie-dyed accessories. Oh my gosh. These are some of my favorite projects. They are easy. They are pretty quick to do. They are inexpensive, and they can add that pop of color you just need in your wardrobe. You don't have to wear head to toe tie-dye. You could just wear a little bit or a lot. And of course, it will brighten your outfit, and it probably will brighten your day. Just saying. Our lovely pinkish, magenta-ish scarf used to be beige, and I used some RIT Dye More dye and transformed that into apparently the color I needed in my wardrobe because I have worn that so much since I dyed that this spring. Of course, our hair accessories, headbands, and scrunchies have been things I've worn on repeat as well. These were a fun project I did here on the channel. I did a little research and tried to track down some hair accessories that were cotton and dyeable and very comfy to wear. These are some of my favorites, so I will, of course, link to that project below, and that project will then tell you all about the products I use and how I did the project. Very fun. By the way, wouldn't these be cute as gifts? Or a project with kids, or I don't know, girlfriend project. Yeah. Of course, our tie-dyed ball cap came from a thrift store. Don't skip the hats, you guys. You never know when you're going to find just a light-colored, inexpensive ball cap, and you can flip it into something really fun and bright. On the same lines, you always got to check the tote bags. Because if you can find one with a cute graphic design like this one, which must have been a Maui souvenir, you can, of course, dye those. And then, of course, they're a really cute accessory. Very fun, very easy to use for traveling this summer. Super cute as kind of like a purse substitute. But I also love giving these as gifts because they are really fun to use as like reusable gift bags. You fill it with some cute Hawaiian themed stuff, and there you go. You got yourself a cute gift. But anyway, guys, definitely try out the tie-dye accessories. Even if you don't want to wear a lot of tie-dye in your day, one of these or a couple of these would be a really fun way to brighten your outfit, and of course, really fun to give to other people. I'm going to go put some outfits together and go on a few adventures, and I'll show you what some of these pieces look like in the wild as I take my tie-dye on these adventures with me. Hope you come along, and I will see you guys when I'm out there.